All right, folks, here we go again with another gorgeous, beautiful 2017 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor 3.7-liter engine, all-wheel drive, former Highway Patrol State Trooper vehicle, original bright white from factory. This vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape, has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the states. Folks, once again, the vehicle is original bright white from factory. I was only able to see two door dings on this bad boy. Very, very minimal amount of scratches, and I do have a little mishap on the front passenger side door that I will get to that in a minute. Let me stop right here, folks. As you guys can see, the vehicle does have a fresh new window tint. That's gonna be a 15% all around. And let me just throw this out there. If you don't like the tint on the front windows, I can also have that tint removed, and that's not a problem, and it won't be a deal breaker. Folks, once again, the vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape. She was a former Highway Patrol vehicle. Clean, clear title, no rust on this bad boy whatsoever. Fully serviced, folks. Once again, I'm setting you up for success on another great looking running vehicle. This is going to be a Police Interceptor Ford Explorer, all-wheel drive. Vehicle does have factory backup sensors and factory backup camera. Vehicle does have 5 holes on the roof. I put an antenna on one, and the other 4 holes have rubber plugs, so there is no water or air leaking into the cabin of the vehicle. Folks, vehicle does have a set of nice semi-new Goodyear Eagles Enforcer tires. I think those are going to be the all-season tires. Very nice, very quiet. DOT on the tires is going to be 2020 if I'm not mistaken. Those are going to be the Goodyear Eagles Enforcer all-weather tires. There you go. Folks, I do apologize for my accent. Sometimes I get stuck trying to say these fancy words here, but it is what it is. So please be patient with me, okay? Once again, vehicle does have a nice set of tires, and also all 4 steel wheels are nice and gloss black steel. All right, so they're not rusted out or anything like that, or beat or faded out gray. They're not. They're nice gloss black. All right. Thankfully, I didn't have to recondition any wheels on this one, and I didn't have to go out and get new tires on this unit right here. So, A+ on the wheels and tires. All right. Vehicle does have one new use LED spotlight. When I first got the vehicle, there was nothing in place, so I went ahead and took one from my inventory and put it back in there. So I gave the car the nice original look from the department. Folks, let me backtrack here. The vehicle is white, so I told you in the beginning of the video that there was a mishap on the front passenger side door. Let me get close here for you guys can see it. You may not be able to see it, but there's something here. Okay, there's like paint that was maybe taken out when they were removing the stickers from the door. Again, it hides in the door. You have to get up close and personal to see it, but it's there, folks. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's in this area right here. Okay, that's the only mishap that the vehicle came with. Once again, they probably did that in the department when they were removing the decals from the front doors. Front bumper does have holes on the sides, possibly from LED lighting or wraparound push bar. The vehicle does have a nice set of nice and clean OEM headlights. Once again, headlamps look very, very nice, clear and shiny. Not beat. Let me take it to the top of the car here. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know what that is, but I'm leaving it alone. It looked like some type of sensor or something. Actually, it's only 1, 2, 3, I don't know. Can you guys see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5 holes on the roof. Wow, Mario. Great job, Mario. Great job. This video is going to be full of bloopers, let me tell you. Alright, so one actual antenna there, guys. That antenna is not going to go anywhere. So if you need to drive your car through an express car wash, that antenna is going to stay there solid. It's not going anywhere. Let's go inside the car because the clock is ticking. And I know you are busy over there, but you are watching my video. Alright, here we go. This is going to be the interior of the vehicle. Hopefully no neighbors come out. Nice and clean. Nice and clean headliner. Red LED, white LED. So they both tail lights do work on this vehicle. Vehicle does have a full-size spare tire. That's going to be a Goodyear Eagle RSA, but you do have a full spare tire. Hold down pen and flow jack right underneath the rim, right there. Here she is, folks. Before I forget, I got to tell you that the rear doors are fully functional from inside and out of the vehicle. Everything does work. Switches, window, door locks are in place. Vehicle does have a nice leather type, vinyl type rear seat. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Vehicle does have a nice, perfect vinyl flooring. No tears, no rips. Once again, guys, this is going to be an all-wheel drive 3.7 engine. Vinyl floor. Driver's side seat is in nice shape. Passenger side seat is still in nice new condition. Vehicle does have a nice aftermarket center console there for your cup holder and a little box. Vehicle does have vehicle did come with 3 keys, 2 working key fobs. Once again, 3 keys with 2 working key fobs. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Let's go ahead and clear that out, clear that out, clear that out. Yes, vehicle does have 140,000 miles. There you go. She is in immaculate running condition and shape. I do not own the rights to the song, so YouTube, do not mute my video. I do not own the rights to the song. Folks, everything does work in the vehicle. Alright. Hot work, does have cruise control, does have factory built-in Bluetooth, so you can connect to your stereo and have your phone conversations through there. Red LED, white LED. Dome lights do work. You have to press the little button right here, so they do work. 1, 2, 1, 2. There you go. It does work. Nice LED light also does work. Backup camera, let me put it on reverse, and it does come up on the rear view mirror right here, so you guys can see the tailgate is up, so it's pointing up, but the camera is right there. Okay, let's go ahead and put her back in park. Am I forgetting anything inside? Cigarette lighters, USB connection, everything here, everything does work, so you are ready to go on the road. The clock is ticking. Oh shoot, let me hurry up. Folks, I'm sorry, I'm a mess today. I'm a mess. I don't know why. It's Saturday. I should be alive. Alright, here are the LED lights. They do work. These are factory LEDs, so they are pretty bright at night. They do light up the road really, really good. No complaints in that department. Alright, bear with me here. One hand. Hold on, guys, hold on. Sorry, thanks, thank you. Alright, here we go, starting right to left. I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was service and clean out. I do have full 520 full synthetic oil service. I do have 6 new Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs in this bad boy. Transmission was also serviced with Motorcraft fluid. Motorcraft LB is the fluid type that this vehicle takes. Air conditioner is nice and cold. All fluids have been topped off. Dry belt tensioner are in decent shape, so I didn't have to remove those out of the way. I'll replace them, in fact, actually. Brakes are around 70% all around. Brakes are at 70% all around, folks. Vehicle does have a new battery from the department. Vehicle does have a new battery from the department. At this point, let me go ahead and quiet down for a few seconds so you can hear the engine. Thank you. All right, here we go. I'm back once again. Ladies and gentlemen, the vehicle does not have any mechanical issues. She is road ready to go anywhere. If you guys have any questions or comments, or you are interested in buying this vehicle, please feel free to make contact. Go ahead and call me, text me if you would, and let's see if we can come to an agreement if you like what you see. Okay, this vehicle is solid. She runs really good. All-wheel drive, she does pack a little bit of a punch. Gas saver, you can get anywhere, and he's not gonna take you to the bank at the gas pump. All right, folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off, also known as SoCal Police Cruisers. Once again, folks, I'm not sure how long this vehicle is gonna remain online for sale. So if you see something you like, please do not hesitate to give me a call. You guys have a safe weekend out there. Please be safe. God bless and take care.